So we're in the middle of Wimbledon. And whenever I think of Wimbledon, I think about what these tennis players do to create success and some of the key skills they have. And one of those things that really jumps out to me is this visualization that they go through. Okay, Novak Djokovic is a really good example of this. You'll see Novak Djokovic bouncing the ball a bunch of times. And what he's doing in that process is visualizing his shot and then the outcomes of that shot. And these tennis players will share, okay, I'm going to think about hitting the ball in the corner and what that will do to the return. And if he does this, I will do this. If he does this, I will do that. And so he's visualizing that process. He's visualizing it before it happens so that he can master the outcomes. And I think that's a really useful skill. But he's also visualizing the way that he delivers that serve. He's going to throw the toss up. What's that serve look like? What does that toss up look like? What does it look like when he hits that ball? And I think these skills are really useful. This visualization can really be really helpful for his success. And I think it's a really great tool for us to take into the workplace. There's really few opportunities in the workplace in that we can use visualization more, especially when it comes to interaction with others. Imagine you're doing a public speaking engagement, whether you're having an uncomfortable conversation with a colleague, maybe you're doing a bit of cold calling or having to do some interactions with others. You can go in there and prime yourself or visualize these scenarios going really well. You can really think about some of the key parts that you're going to deliver, especially if these parts are going to be uncomfortable. Visualize and think about what these key areas are, the words you're going to use, how you're going to deliver them, how that person's going to respond, and how you deal with that emotion or response with really good words. Pick those words out. The more we can do this, the more clear we can get, the better we are going to be at delivering the outcome. And I think it's just a really nice skill for us to have. And so what I want to do is, I'll throw this question over to you, is when have you used visualization to help you be successful in your workplace? And can you see that transferable skill? Please share those in the comments so people can learn and get different bits of advice on how they can use this. Because I think it's a great skill that we can transfer into the workplace and has some real great places. So yeah, please share. The more we can share, the better we are as a collective.